Peterbilt 389 headlight, halogen versus our BTS lighting, Alpha Series LED bulbs. We're gonna shine it on this wall from 25 feet away and measure the intensity increase with a digital lux meter. Nothing fancy. Let's get to it. Okay, really quick. This is how we're doing it. Got a full shop, so you're not gonna see the whole beam pattern. Got a Bambi basher in the way, but this will give you an idea. Here's your halogen. We're picking up about 100 lux. Let's go high beam. High beam. That's where this headlight actually does pretty decent. Low beam is horrible. High beam, not so bad. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh, 395. Oh, we're peaking over 400. We're doing all right. 415. All right. All right, let's call her 415. Oh, 423. I saw that for a second. Let's call her 425. Not bad. Okay, our BTS lighting, Alpha Series, low beam. Oh, look what we got there. You can already see that's brighter than the original, but let's check it out. All right, start over here. Okay, it's looking all right. I saw 250, 240, 270. Oh, there's our hot spot. There we are, 270 right below the cutoff line. Yeah, nice big hot spot. All right, so we're gonna call that 270 from 100. Over twice as bright. And last but not least, let's check out the high beam. All right. Oh, that's it? It's just 1780. No big deal. No big deal. Oh, sorry. 1900 and some. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Just run around down the road like a freight train. That'll do it.